Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to parallel park from the front. Now, the majority of the time that you will be parallel parking, you're going to be reversing into a parking spot between two cars, but there is a way to parallel park in front of a car from the front. So what we're going to do is we're going to drive up ahead. Now, it might be difficult to see, but up ahead there's going to be a white SUV and it's just right behind the mirror, unfortunately. But we're going to drive up ahead. I'll get it into the view of where you can see it, and then I'll actually show you the process for parallel parking from the front. So what we have up ahead is a white SUV. Let's just get really close to it, and I'll actually adjust the camera just to really give you a better view. So as you can see right there, there is the white SUV. Now we're going to parallel park from the front. What we're going to do is we're going to drive beside it, and we're going to sort of maneuver beside the curb in front of it, and then we're going to reverse closer. We're going to signal in advance and everything. So as we're driving right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up in front of it. So I'm putting my right signal on, checking my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. I'm actually pulling beside the curb in front of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm putting the car in reverse, and I'm looking in my mirrors, looking all around, looking at my blind spots, and I'm actually reversing straight back, and I'm going to come to a complete stop directly in front of it. So you hopefully you can see this right here. That is where the SUV is. Let's just go like this. We get a little bit of a better view, and there's a shadow of it. I have now parallel parked from the front of the SUV. You can see the SUV right there. I'm directly in front of that SUV. So that's how to parallel park from the front. Now what I will do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to try one more. Up ahead there's going to be a sort of like a red colored vehicle, and it's a red colored larger vehicle, and we're going to do the same thing. So I'm driving up ahead. You'll be able to see in just a moment. Okay, so I'm driving up ahead. Right there's the red colored vehicle. Can't see it just yet, but it will pop up in just a moment. Now I believe you can see it over there. So I'm going to signal right, check my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. I'm going to sort of swerve over here beside the curb, just like that. So you see I steered to the right, then I steered to the left to straighten it out. Now I'm putting the car in reverse, and I'm looking in my mirrors, in my blind spot, sort of steering to get a little bit tighter to the curb. And I'm reversing. You can see in the rear view camera right there. I'm reversing till I get close to the car. And let's just go ahead and we're going to just get somewhat close, just like this. Keep reversing right about there. So as you can see, I've now parallel parked in front of the car. And that's it. I mean, it's a very simple process, and that's how to parallel park from the front. It's an awesome little thing that you can do if you actually want to parallel park in front of a car, and there's enough room to do this. Like if you're looking at a parking space that is like super tight, like, you know, a foot or 2 feet larger than your car, then you're going to have to reverse parallel park and sort of reverse parallel park and maneuver your way into it. But if there's enough room, I mean, this is a much easier method to use. So if there's enough room to parallel park from the front, I would recommend using this method if there is enough room. And that's it. In this video, I've gone over and shown you how to parallel park from the front. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you've noticed my little mouth and face over there. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.